Hi everyone, welcome to our DAX series. In this video, you'll be learning about Introduction to DAX. So in this video, we'll talk about 10 things you must know before learning DAX. Alright, so first point, what is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is a formula language used in Power BI, Power Pivot and SSAS. It enables data modeling and advanced calculations, and it turns raw data into actionable insights. You can see this is the syntax of the DAX formula. So the first one, what you see, this sum, this is the function, and the sales, what you see, this is the table name, and amount is the field name. So we'll be learning about more of this particular syntax in our next videos. Why learn DAX? DAX helps you create powerful calculations and automate tasks. It enhances data storytelling by providing meaningful insights, and it makes you a data-driven decision maker. Where can you use the DAX functions? Primarily, DAX are used in Power BI for dashboards, Excel Power Pivot for advanced analytics, SSAS, that is SQL Server Analysis Services. It is one skill with multiple platforms. Why is DAX essential in Power BI? DAX enables advanced calculated columns and measures, efficient data modeling, then dynamic calculations tailored to user interactions. It is essential for creating professional grade reports as well. What is the difference between DAX and Excel formulas? Let's see the future DAX and Excel formulas. So here the future, what is the purpose? Data modeling and analytics. Excel, it is cell-based calculations. What is the context? It is row and filter context. Here in Excel, it is single cell references. The functionality for DAX, it is advanced analytics and it is reusable. Excel formulas, it is limited to spreadsheets. Next point, evolution of DAX. DAX was introduced in 2010 by Microsoft. It started as a formula language for Power Pivots in Excel. Now it is a key tool in business intelligence and analytics. It is continuously evolving with new updates and features. And now let's see what is the importance of DAX in career or job. It is highly sought after skill in roles like data analyst, BI developer, data scientist, and companies value DAX expertise for solving complex formulas. Companies value DAX expertise for solving complex problems and generating actionable insights as well. Boost your career with DAX. How to boost your career with DAX? Let's see point by point. DAX helps you stand out by automating. DAX helps you stand out by automating complex calculations, delivering insightful reports, making data-driven recommendations, positions you as a data analytics expert. DAX for reports and dashboards. It is essential for creating dynamic visuals, tracking KPIs and trends, forecasting future outcomes, ensure accuracy and consistency in reporting. So what are the benefits of using DAX? It saves time with automation, handles large data sets efficiently, scalable and flexible for future needs. It empowers data storytelling with deeper insights. So these are the 10 important points you'll have to keep in mind before learning and mastering DAX. So let's see what is the next topic. The next topic is different type of calculations in DAX. So if you are looking for a better career in data analytics, please contact us with the phone number mentioned on screen, that is 9066078793. You can mail us enquiry@itsinc.in. Also, you can visit our website www.itsinc.in. And please don't forget to follow us on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching this video.